When I was maybe 12 years old, my stepfather got me my first fly rod. I didn't know it then, but it would begin a lifelong journey. My brother and my stepfather and I would spend summer evenings on the West Canada Creek in central New York, surrounded by mayflies and rising trout. Those summer evenings are where I fell in love with fly fishing. Since those early days, I've fished a lot of water, found some great fish, and changed a lot about how I fish. But sometimes you have to go back to where it all began, back to your home waters.
Oh, dude, that's bigger.
Dude,
That's a gorgeous fish.
holy frig.
Thank you. Awesome.
He is.
Right by your foot.
This is the kind of water I want, though. There we go. Yeah, but I'm in the better, yeah, this is where I was gonna have you go. But this is the size fish I catch here. Like, now I want to see what he hit. So he took the little nymph, he did not take the stonefly. Yeah, this water's nice and cold today. I gotta tell you, some of these look, that does not look like a stocked fish. That is really pretty. It got these really orange spots on it. So I always feel like the bigger fish are gonna be out just on the deep edge of this. Oh, that was a fish. I could see it. But you feel it now, don't you?
Because it feels different.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you'll feel the boom. Oh, you got one? All right. Oh yeah. Real nice, dude. Dude. Forget the little ones, just do that. I can probably pick this guy up if you want. No. It's all right, we got him surrounded now. Nice.
Excellent. That's a nice one. Who took the sexy?
Yeah, the big ones always take the sexy, dude. It's crazy.
Oh, he ate it. Absolutely devoured it. Nice fish.
Let's see if I can... Yeah, see if you can hold him up right in the sun like that. Oh yeah.
That's a nice fish. Sexy stone.
Cool.
Great fish. All right, we gonna let her go?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Thank you. Awesome.
Right by my feet.
He is right by your foot.
How was that?
That was excellent. Very cool. So glad I'm dressed up as Zorro for this. Good tip. A1 guide.
Yeah. You want the big ones, you go with the big flies. I think
great.
sometimes that sexy stone imitates a crayfish in here.
I bet it does.
I think that's
too.
why the big ones go for it.
Especially when you tie it in this color.
You got him right where it comes in and drops deep, didn't you?
Yep. So there's probably more sitting in there.
Might be, yeah. Go for it.
Yeah.
Nice, dude. How's it feel? Of course, I left my good camera over there, but we'll GoPro it. Yeah, this is good. We just need more water like this. Oh, dude, that's bigger. That's bigger. I got it. I got it. Don't worry. Oh my God. Okay. Yep. You just keep doing what you're doing. When he's ready.
Oh my God.
Yep. Yep. Just when he's ready. Don't even worry about your net. I got it. Sexy stone, baby. Always the sexy stone. I'm gonna be just a little bit above you.
Yep. All right, turn it.
Yeah. He's not gonna like it. If you can get his head up, then I'll go. But if not, I'm not going.
You're gonna give us some room.
Yeah.
I like the Roni. You're a big fish.
If you can bring your rod left or right, rod right like that. Yeah, he doesn't like it yet. But that's the idea.
Yep.
That's the idea. This is why I like 5X and not that 6X, dude. He's not ready yet.
Nope.
If you can turn him on the side and lift his head, if I can get close like that. Oh, I felt him. Holy. This is a big boy. Yeah, just take it easy. He's good. He's good. He doesn't like me. But if you can surf him at me or no, can you direct him to me?
Trying.
If you can go rod tip right once you get him surfing. I don't want to make a stab and not get him.
Holy cow.
All right, let's get over here where we can.
This is the biggest trout I think I've ever caught.
This is Brent's personal best trout.
Look at the
Dude, the
color.
colors on this are
It's
unreal.
unreal.
Close to 20. He's fat. He's not long. He's fat.
Whoa.
I'm telling you, dude.
That is an amazing fish.
That's what this river has, though, man.
That is amazing.
That's what this river has. So I'm just keeping them in the water, and then this water's nice and cold.
So it should be good.
Yep. Colors are unreal.
How about
Yeah, right here is good. Oh my God,
That's a
dude.
gorgeous fish.
Yeah, give me the whole view of the fish.
See him?
Yeah. Tip his nose toward me a little bit. Holy frig, dude.
That is a gorgeous fish.
Holy frig. Yeah. Holy shnikes.
That's amazing.
He is a beauty. Yeah, that's a 20, dude. No problem. Oh, yeah. Dude.
Excellent.
That is a great release.
That was fantastic. He was
Holy
so healthy.
frig. How's that feel?
That's fantastic. That's a personal best brown trout.
Dude,
The colors on him were amazing.
that was the most amazing fish I've seen out of this river from us.
Just absolutely gorgeous looking
Holy
fish.
crap. That
That was fantastic.
is why we are here. So you think upstream where it comes down by the road there, is that what you're talking about?
everybody, thanks for joining us today. What a pretty awesome day. To be able to hook up with some family, get together with my brothers, first time we fished together in a really long time. And to be able to get him into Euro nymphing, and his first 2 fish Euro nymphing are a 17-incher and an incredible, beautiful, colored up 20-inch brown. Oh my God, he totally crushed his personal best today by far. And I think I got him hooked on Euro nymphing, didn't I? So anyway, thanks for joining us today, guys. We'll see you guys soon for the next one. If you like what we're doing, definitely subscribe. We'll see you soon.